Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming that your phone and Chromecast share the same Wi-Fi network because devices must see each other. Once done, update Dooflix and sign and so content and cast features are enabled. Now open the app and grant any network permissions it asks for, otherwise casting won't appear. Make sure Chromecast is powered and idle on the TV. If it shows home, you're ready. Next, find the cast icon inside Dooflix. Don't skip this. It's the control to start streaming. After locating the cast icon, tap it to reveal available devices and then select your Chromecast by name. This initiates a handshake between apps. You'll see a confirmation on the TV and then browse Dooflix for a show or movie. Pick the title and choose playback options like quality and subtitles so streaming matches your bandwidth and preferences. While casting, use your phone as a remote for play, pause, seek, and volume. This saves changing TV inputs and keeps the session in your control. To finish, tap the cast icon again and choose Stop Casting, or simply close Dooflix to return the TV to its normal screen. If audio lags or video stutters, lower the stream quality and make sure no heavy downloads are running on your network. This often fixes sync issues. If casting won't start, restart the Chromecast, then your phone, and finally the router. Rebooting clears transient network problems. If still stuck, check that Dooflix has microphone and local network permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.